guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipshika and if you're new to my channel then hi. So आज का वीडियो एक हॉल वीडियो होने वाला है फ्रॉम पर्पल. इट्स नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड. मैंने खुद परचेज की है ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड या सो टुडे आई एम गोना बी शेयरिंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स विथ यू गाइज. अगर आप लोग इसका डेमो भी देखना चाहते हैं तो आई शेयर that as well, but for now I'll just share my entire purchase with you all. So yeah, बिना किसी बकबक किए let's get into the video. I'll try to give all the links in the description box below. You can check that out from there. So yeah, let's get started. Actually guys, I was having acne breakouts lately. That's why each product I've purchased was based on tea tree. Like the key ingredient is tea tree. So this is tea tree gentle cleansing face wash I have bought. It's 200 ml and the price is 250 rupees. It's my recent purchase, so I have used it once or twice, I don't remember, and it gives you the baby soft skin. Like after you wash your face with the face wash, it'll give you a baby soft skin, trust me. Okay, so next up what I've purchased is this tea tree skin cleansing toner. This product is amazing, trust me guys, this product is amazing. This is tea tree skin cleansing toner. This product is amazing. I love this product. This is paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. This is 120 ml and the price is 175 rupees. You can go for it if you are having acne breakouts or pimple issues. You can go for this product. It's really helpful. Next up I have this Good Vibes tea tree cleansing face mask, as you can see. Okay, so disclaimer, actually it's basically a skincare haul from Good Vibes. I wanted to take good care of my skin and that's why I have purchased all the products related to my skincare. But 90% purchase मेरी Good Vibes का है. This is Good Vibes tea tree cleansing face mask. This face mask is amazing. This is paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. ऐसी दिखती है. It's actually green because it's tea tree का mask. I have used it once or twice as well. So yeah, then I have a scrub. This is also from Good Vibes. This is tea tree illuminating scrub. If you are someone who likes their scrub to be very mild, not very harsh, then this is a good choice for you. This is actually so mild and you can see it has a very small bits. If you are someone who loves mild scrubs like me, then this is a very good choice. You can go for it. You can actually go for it. Okay. Okay, next up I have this Good Vibes argan facial oil with silver leaves. The price is 285 rupees and this is how it looks like. It's okay, it's actually a very good product. I'll make a separate video on this facial oil, so stay tuned for that. And the price is 285 rupees. Next I have this tea tree 100% pure essential oil. This is the packaging guys. The price is 245 rupees. It has 10 ml product in it, and this is how the bottle look like. I'll make a separate video on it. Okay, so that's it. So I got this Chutkusa face cream free along with this Good Vibes ka purchase. It's green tea face cream and it has 10 gram as well. It's also paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. I'll use this for sure. As I have told you guys, this is my recent purchase, but ये जो पैकेज है ये मुझे 4 दिन पहले रिसीव हुई थी. मैंने एक साथ ही सब कुछ ऑर्डर की थी, बट ये बॉक्स मुझे सबसे लास्ट मिली. ये एक्चुअली मुल्तानी मिट्टी है. लेट्स ओपन दिस. मैं ये पैकेज अभी आप लोगों के सामने खोल रही हूँ. So I have ordered Multani Mitti. This is from Alps Goodness. It will give you a natural glow to your skin, helps to prevent acne by controlling sebum production, makes your skin soft and supple, 100% organic and natural, pesticide and preservative free, and created for all skin types. So you don't have to worry about it. If you're having dry skin type or oily or combination, you can use this anyway. This is for all skin type. This was for just 85 rupees only, so it's a good purchase and the quantity is actually good. The quantity is 150 gram, and yeah, I'll definitely use this. I'll definitely try this and I'll share with you guys. Now moving on, first I have bought this NYBay nail enamel, which I am currently wearing. This is the color, guys, and this is the product. Please don't laugh, guys, cause the shade name is so funny. It's called Hot Dog. Yeah, so I've bought this. And next up I have bought this eyeliner, liquid dip eyeliner. This is from the brand Bella Voste. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly or not, but yeah, I have used this as well. I am so in love with this product, guys. This is a swatch. This is the swatch, guys. This is the swatch. It's actually so good. It's actually so good. I was using Colourbar ka pen liner, as you know, and I was using pen liner, I was using gel liner, but बहुत दिनों से मुझे एक dip liner चाहिए था, तो I have bought this, and the shade number is Black Date. Yeah, this is it. And next up I have bought this matte lip crayon. This is from the same brand, Bella Voste, matte lip crayon, and the shade number is Lean On 11 Lean On, and I'm giving a swatch, guys. Wait, can you see it? This is a very neutral light pinkish color. This is I loved this color actually, so this is it. The last product I have is this product. This is a lipstick from I Amsterdam. This is a matte liquid lipstick from I Amsterdam. The price was 199 rupees, and the shade number is Kung Fu Fascination 31. And this is the color. Wait, I'm showing you, I'm giving you a swatch, guys. See, this is so beautiful. This is a beautiful shade. You can go for it. If you love dark lip color, then you can definitely go for it. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll obviously make some separate videos on essential oils and facial oils and everything. So guys, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more related videos. It's free, and yeah, bye, and until we meet, ta-da!